last chance for the nightfall. Couldn't stand it, she abandoned, went out on her own. She took a leave of absence, now I'm here all alone. All alone in this heat, all alone in the city, all alone feeling shitty, what a pity you're gone. I thought we were strong, now you wanna move on. Had a bond, had a plan, we were gonna get on a rocket ship to the top, first class non-stop. Do it for the kids, shock the people with the clocks, we can do this. Now you say screw this, gonna hit the road. I thought we'd been through this, stick together, win or fail. Now you wanna bail, here's a bucket, good luck, get some wind for your sail. Float on, you can leave me no more, you can't deceive me, believe me, all alone I will do this so long. Goodbye, farewell as the curtain falls. Intermission, your decision, got my back against the wall. Won't crack, won't crawl, gonna stand tall. Show them all, I can do this, the show must go on. After all, it's my story, your part is a loss. As the lights drop, I can hear the applause. Leave of absence or not, life carries on. Second act is upon, what a pity you're gone.
Win some, lose some, a wise man once said. Even when the chips are down, you gotta keep your head. Success is probably just around the bend, just up ahead. For now, just bunt, forget the upper decks. I love chicks, I can't front, I'm pretty obsessed. The pretty ones get most of my attention. Once in a while, I get a tend to like me like the other night. But even a short thing can end. At first, I thought the night had been going real smooth. She was clinging to my arm tight like she was glued. I figured we'd leave the bar, grab some food, have a few laughs, go back to my crib and enjoy the mood. I tried to lead and got her like zagging. I thought I had bagged it, I was feeling like a booty magnet. So cute, she could've won a beauty pageant, but she froze up like a mannequin, her interest just vanished. It took a leave of absence, sudden loss of attraction, and I ain't get no action. What's worse than going in circles? It has to be going backwards. Took a leave of absence on the last call, one last dance, a last chance for the nightfall. Couldn't stand it, she abandoned, went out on her own. She took a leave of absence, now I'm here all alone.
Took a leave of absence on the last call, one last dance, a last chance for the nightfall. Couldn't stand it, she abandoned, went out on her own. She took a leave of absence, now I'm here all alone.
Went out on her own, she took a leave of absence.